Making customers happy is a serious priority for us. So when one of our happy customers writes to tell us about a job well done, we love sharing that. As much as we think we're doing a great job, it's customers like this that tell us about their experience that push us harder to do better. We really enjoy what our happy customers say about us. The most important thing to us is to know from them that we're doing a great job. We love our repeat customers, but we also love new customers, and we'd like to be that to you. So give us a chance to show you what we can do. Simply call the number on your screen if we can help you. We look forward to serving you. Thanks for watching.